everyone, I am Princess Hanilet A. Santa Ana, and for my recitation, I'll be talking about Customs Memorandum Order Number 3, Series of 2022. The parts I'll cover are Section 2, Administrative Provisions, Section 10 to 12, on the specific documents used and their purpose. Section 18, Suspension and Closure of Customs Bonded Warehouses. And lastly, the penalties, violation, and compliance. So Section 2 basically talks about the Customs Bonded Warehouses system is managed and who's in charge of implementing the rule. It mentions offices like the Account Management Office, the Bonded Warehouse Committee, and the District Collectors. They're the ones making sure that the warehouses are properly supervised and follow customs laws, especially in controlling and monitoring goods. In short, this section sets the structure and authority para maayos ang takbo ng mga bonded warehouses. Now for section 10 to 12, this talk about the important documents used in the operation of a bonded warehouse. For example, first in the application form for CBW accreditation. This is what a company submits to apply for permission to operate a bonded warehouses. Then we have the warehouse license or permit, which serves as the legal proof that they are allowed to operate. Next is the inventory control system or ICS document. These are used to record and track the movement of imported materials and finished goods. There are also the goods declaration, which shows what items are being imported and stored. Another one is the transfer note or boat note, used when transferring goods from the port to the bonded warehouses. Lastly, reconciliation and liquidation reports. These are submitted to customs to check that all goods are properly accounted for. So basically, these documents help customs keep track of everything to make sure no illegal or undeclared items are being moved. So, Section 18 explains when a bonded warehouse can be suspended or even closed. This happens if a warehouse violates customs rules, like not submitting reports, losing accreditation, or being involved in illegal importation. Before closure, they'll get a written notice and a chance to explain. But if the violation is proven, the Bureau can order suspension or closure. So this section is really about discipline and accountability. When it comes to penalties, it depends on the violation. For example, if they misdeclare goods or withdraw items without authorization, they can be fined, suspended, or even lose their license permanently. To stay compliant, warehouses must submit reports on time, keep accurate records, and allow customs inspections anytime. These rules protect the system from smuggling and make sure everything stays transparent. To wrap it up, CMO 3-2022 makes sure that all customs bonded warehouses are well supervised and follow proper documentation. It's all about maintaining order, transparency, and fair trade while protecting our economy. Again, I am Princess Hanilet A. Santa Ana, and that's my short discussion about TOPICCMO 3 2022. And thank you for listening.